Are you struggling to move a file from the temporary directory to your Documents folder using React Native? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this common issue and help you get that file where it needs to be. I totally understand how frustrating it can be when you encounter errors while coding. It feels like you're so close to a solution, but something just isn't working. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently asked, "What am I doing wrong when trying to move a file using React Native FS and React Native Document Picker?" They received an error message stating that the file couldn't be moved because it either doesn't exist or the destination folder doesn't exist. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the file path is incorrect or the destination directory isn't set up properly. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To begin resolving the user's issue, we need to ensure that the file path is correct. The user should check if the file selected from the document picker is valid and exists before attempting to move it. Next, the user should confirm that the destination directory exists. In this case, the documents directory must be available. If it doesn't exist, the user will need to create it. Now, let's modify the Save Audio function to include error handling for the file move operation. This will help identify any issues during the move process. Finally, the user should test the entire process by selecting a file and attempting to move it again. This will help confirm if the changes made have resolved the issue. Fun fact, did you know that the first file systems were created in the 1960s? We've come a long way since then, but sometimes it feels like we're still debugging those early systems. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user highlights a common issue. They found that the error occurred because the file name contained a space. To fix this, they suggest decoding the URL before moving the file. Now let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution from another user highlights that the error may occur when the destination folder doesn't exist. They point out that the error message can be misleading, as it suggests the source file is missing instead of indicating that the target path folder is not available. Here's the crucial tip I promised. Always double-check your file paths and ensure that your directories exist before trying to move files. This simple habit can save you a lot of headaches. And there you have it. You should now be able to move your files without any issues. Remember, checking paths and handling errors can make all the difference. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.